Their first year of marriage in Canada taught them many lessons. They discovered that love was not only about beautiful moments, but also about supporting each other through change. Daniel helped Aline adjust to her new environment, and Aline brought warmth, family values, and a strong connection to their Burundian heritage. Soon, they began dreaming about growing their family. They imagined children who would know the beauty of both worlds, the hills of Burundi and the landscapes of Canada, the languages of their ancestors and the opportunities of their new home. When their first child was born, Daniel and Aline held the baby together and felt the meaning of everything they had overcome. Their child represented a bridge between two countries, two cultures, and two families. Daniel whispered, "Our child will know where we came from and where we are going." Aline smiled and replied, "They will carry the love of Burundi and Canada in their heart." Years later, their home became a place where two cultures lived together. The smell of Burundian cooking filled the kitchen, Canadian winter coats hung by the door, and family stories connected generations. Daniel and Aline learned that home was not only a place on a map. Home was built through love, sacrifice, respect, and the memories they created together. Their journey from Bujumbura to Canada became a story of hope, a reminder that when two people truly love each other, even oceans and continents cannot separate their hearts.